with morethanguitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Peter Frampton's Show Me the Way on the ukulele. Start you off with the chords like usual. Most of them are pretty straightforward. We are going to change the positions of some just to make it more playable, make it sound better. The D, your first finger goes all the way across all the strings on the 2nd fret, and then your pinky is going to play the A string on the 5th fret. The D major 7, pick up your pinky and put down your ring finger, also on the A string on the 4th fret. For the B minor, all you have to do is move that same ring finger over to the G string. And that's a B minor. To play the B flat, slide all this down 1 fret and put your middle finger on the C string on the 2nd fret. And then the way we're going to play the C for the next one, instead of the open C like we all know, we're going to slide this up 2 frets. And they go right back to the D. Pretty easy. Next chord is an A. We're going to it from the B flat. So of course it's just first finger on the C string, 1st fret, and your middle finger on the G string, 2nd fret. But all I really, you just go to the regular G for that. First finger gets the C string, 2nd fret. Middle finger plays the A string, also 2nd fret. And your ring finger plays the E string on the 3rd fret. Here's your steady beat. You can play it with your thumb or your finger. It doesn't matter. Either one's fine. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now we're just going to leave out some. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's the only difference. Up, down, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you get to the chorus, you want to change it around a little bit and play more of a straight rock beat. Oh, won't you show me the way? Oh, won't you? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You can play the lead parts on ukulele too. And I'm trying to find a talk box so I can plug my electric acoustic uke into one and let you hear how it would sound. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the chord chart as well as other videos that you might like to learn. Below that there's a big gray box that's for your questions. Please feel free to ask questions. I'll answer as quickly as I can. I'm Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play Show Me the Way by Peter Frampton on the ukulele. Thank you for watching.